Hello guys! This is series number 4 of our project that we're doing together with the central knife shop Reset.ru, Knife in the Black Box. Today we'll be unpacking some new knife. What kind of knife it's gonna be? Let's find out right now. Let's go! So, I have already shown you 3 knives. The first one was the Frodo from NL Knife. I honestly wore it for a month. We made a report, a review, a test, everything in one video. Actually, I recommend you watch all the series of this project, the Knife in the Black Box. They're all interesting. Then we had the Kershaw launch, which I'm still carrying in my pocket. Why is it still with me? Because after, knife number 3 was Beaver Knife Gran Turismo, and that's a fixed knife, it's not meant for the city. In the city I'm still carrying the launch. And today it's series number 4, and I'll show you yet another knife. I'm reminding you the idea of this project is that we're unpacking some knife that the shop Reset.ru sends us. What kind of knife it is, I have no idea. So, unpacking, first impressions, and after that, for at least 1 month, I'm supposed to carry this knife on me every day, in my pocket. Test it, ask people's opinions, let them use it, let them see how it works, and then, after a month, I'm supposed to make a big report about this knife. Testing, reviews, everything together. So, the new knife, Reset.ru, the new black box. Let's open it. And the next month, I'll be spending with a Kershaw knife. So, okay, let's put the black box aside. Actually, that's interesting. That's the second Kershaw knife in this project, two out of 4. Yeah, Reset.ru likes Kershaw, and actually people like Kershaw because that's quite a people's brand. The knives of this company, and that's actually part of the Kai concern, the same concern that owns zero tolerance knives, and the Kershaw knives are considered quite an affordable segment. They also have some premium models and more affordable ones also, but in general, if we take the brand, these are quite inexpensive knives of not bad quality, especially lately. So what kind of knife it is? Guys, that's a Strata. That's Strata XL. Actually, I was really interested in this knife, but I was more interested to test its junior version. I think it's called the L one, the standard size. Okay, let's open it and then let's talk about everything else. Why is it so big? Actually, let me tell you that, judging by the reviews I've seen about it, on the video it seemed smaller. Now let's open it. Wow. Anyway, this whole trend was started by Cold Steel way back with the legendary T-Light 6. Then they had the knives like Spartan, Raja, XXL, Navaja, Espada. It was called Espada. And by the way, this is the continuation of the Navaja theme. The Cold Steel had their Espada, and this one is called Strata. It's impressive. So wait, I'm supposed to put it in my pocket and carry it for a month, this huge knife? Thank you Reset.ru for not sending this knife in the summer when the temperature was plus 40 centigrade, otherwise I wouldn't have a place to put it. So what is there? D2 steel, titanium handle, it seems like, or it's anodized aluminum, I'm not sure actually. So all the technical characteristics will be in the description on the Reset.ru website. You'll see the prices and all the details. Today is just the first impressions. I'll tell you in detail about this knife and how to use it in a month. You know what I really like here? I like the rivets. You see? They're so cool. They're really accurately made, very stylish. By the way, it's very unusual because there are just 2 rivets here and not a single one neither in the end of the handle, nor to the beginning of the handle. You just take a look. That's interesting. That's the stopping rivet. Yeah. Okay. All the details later. Let's try the inertia opening. Excellent. How am I supposed to wear it for a month? Well, friends, what else can I say? G10 is the main material of the handle. That's either aluminum or titanium. I honestly don't remember. So let's check it at the reset.ru and the Star Wars logo on the blade, just like on my launch. That's some kind of a futuristic story, a continuation of this style. And here, this futuristic style manifests, first of all, in these additional elements on the handle. This element, actually it resembles some spaceship. Seems like it. Here's another one, the rivets. Actually, well, it's gonna be a fun experience. It's gonna be really interesting. A 1 month long, at least, experience. But if it drags on, maybe I'll go to the Blade Show with it. Actually, everybody, welcome to the Klinok exhibition in Russia. So that's it. I cannot say anything else about it. Of course, I'm really impressed by the size. On the videos, it seems much smaller. I've actually thought it's smaller when I saw the reviews. And I wanted to try the standard version, but the reset.ru are trolling me. Actually, they've promised to troll me for quite a while. They said, we keep sending you quite regular knives and we should try something unusual. So that's what they decided to do. Thank you for not sending me some kind of a crisp blade. I wouldn't know what to do with it for a month. So actually, guys, I have a request for you. Please write in the comments what knife you would like them to send me next time, so that we could test it together. Reset.ru reads all the comments, so please don't be shy and write whatever you want. So far, I guess that's it. It's time to start testing it. Oh, but why did I put my launch in the pocket? I should replace it now. I'm changing it and let's go testing. See you in a month with this knife. And please watch the other videos, they appear at least twice a week. Welcome to the channel, your likes, your subscriptions, the bell button. You know the drill. Have a good one. See you online.
Servants of power, you give them what you got. What does it matter?